Hello everyone. On behalf of Clinic Dermcos and from my behalf, I wish you all a very happy Holi. Holi is fast approaching. It's a wonderful festival. All young and elderly all want to play Holi and they all want to be in their best of spirits. If played well, Holi, you really enjoy this festival. But if you don't play well Holi, you are bound to leave so many marks and so many uh, um, uh, rashes on your skin, which we all should try to avoid. So these can be avoided by taking few precautions. Normally, a rash with colors, it is purely because of harsh colors. Most of the gulals and other normally made silica, lead, which is certainly a sort of irritant to the skin. These should be avoided, and these days, there are a lot of herbal products available in the market, which to some extent can decrease these type of morbidities. So, I would like to point out few pre-care and post-care instructions when it comes to playing of colors. Colors can be harmful not only for skin, but they can be also really harmful for your hair, nail, eyes, and other structures which are there on the skin. So pre-care instructions include certainly using good amount of sunblocks, because any colors added to your skin along with ultraviolet rays can give you a very intense itchy rash, which is called a photodermatitis sort of a rash. So sunscreen before, say, half an hour before going to play Holi is definitely required. A good SPF sunscreen, so not less than about 50 SPF should be there. And on top of sunscreen, we can use some amount of, say, a few drops of olive oil also, which give a hydration to the skin. If all these things are taken care of, the colors which are put on the skin, they don't leave any marks, and they don't give you any irritation and redness or any burning sensations. So this is most important, pre-care. Apart from that, even caring for your hair is very important. You should use adequate amount of coconut oil on the scalp, in your hair, about say 10-15 minutes going out to play Holi. Even the nails, they should be covered with thick coat of nail polish. Any nail polish is fine for girls, and men, like, they don't use nail polish, but they can also protect their nails by using a thick layer of white petroleum jelly, which again causes less of contact period with the skin, with the nails of the colors, and thereby they can protect and save your skin, hair and nails. Now, once you are playing Holi, after Holi, how to get rid of color is again a very important issue. For that, we should be using some mild soaps with good amount of moisturizer, like normal Dove soap or Pear soap, and that has to be rubbed on the skin to remove the color. After using first coat of soap and after washing your skin, you should try to use some amount of olive oil or again coconut oil on the skin, which again gives some protection from the hard soaps. And don't try to remove all color in one go. Some amount of color, if left, can be again taken care of the next day. So these instructions, if you follow, you are definitely bound to have a good and safe Holi. Apart from that, the dress what you wear is again important. You should be wearing a full sleeves cotton long covered dress, which again prevents contact of the colors with the normal skin. So these pre and post instructions for playing Holi is very important. You can always use good sunglasses to protect your eyes. In case the color goes into your eyes, have a good rinse of eyes, and immediately you should try to see a doctor, ophthalmologist, in case the irritation or redness persists. So before playing Holi, as I have already told you, adequate amount of sunscreen, say half an hour before going to play Holi, is a option to protect from ultraviolet rays to prevent photodermatitis. And along with this, if we are playing Holi, we should try to play Holi with natural colors. Natural colors can definitely be made by a mixture of few homemade, home available substances, which include rose petals. We can also use turmeric in it. We can also use chandan in it, and along with coffee and normal tea leaves can be mixed and made into a good home color. So protecting the skin is by using good amount of oils prior to applying photo sunscreen, sunblock, and even after sunblock, a few drops of olive oil can be applied, and excess oil can be mopped up with the fine blotting paper or tissue paper to remove the excessive oil. Sunscreen is very, very important, as I have already told you, because otherwise if a rash appears, then it takes a little longer to go. And even if the rash is there, you shouldn't try to treat it yourself. If irritation is more, you should always try to consult a dermatologist. And you should not worry much, because these rashes are only temporary. They go away in a period of about 2 to 3 days with proper medication. Apart from that, I feel there are no other much of care that we can normally do, and that's all that is required to play a safe Holi. So Holi is very nice. I again wish you all my viewers a very, very happy Holi. But you should be little careful, especially with the kids also. If children are playing Holi, you should try to keep them away from balloons and all these. They can definitely cause a harm to the children's skin as well. Natural colors are definitely good. Some herbal colors are available in the market, but how much they are herbal, it certainly is a big question mark. We can always make colors on our own. As I have advised you, we can mix some few rose petals. We can mix turmeric powder, tea leaves, and coffee leaves, and they can give a wonderful color to play Holi with. So after playing Holi, if you feel that you have a bit of allergy, I told you, you can consult a dermatologist, and you should try to exfoliate your skin with mild cleansers at home only, so that the upper layer of the skin which has been harmed with colors should be removed, and you can get back your normal glowing skin. So again, after playing Holi, moisturizers have a great role. We should moisturize your skin adequately, and they should be fine with post-Holi care. Thank you.